What if the rest of this year turned out to be the best of this year for you? What if all you had to do was believe and everything you've hoped for came true? That is what I pray you experience this month.
I ain't got a single day I'm left to make, 'cause I'm tired of being sort of fantasy. And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally. Maybe the romantics just ain't it for me. Like, how did I become a lesson? I'm not the type of girl you question. Can't even tell you why I'm stressing. I know I probably should've mentioned I got the bill hacks, someone you can't forget. I know you're still upset. Can't keep me here next.
You came in my life like a whirlwind. I think if you leaving, the world ends. I like to think that I'm a pretty good lover, but I'm not good at having girlfriends. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot, but you be thinking that I crush a lot. An indie darling on the verge of pop. Don't assume who I'm with, that'll hurt your heart. I don't wanna be while you bleed. Tourniquet, I can see that you're in need. Learning that even if you always keep it 100, there's no such thing as guarantees. People change like seasons, many reasons, I suppose. Heartburn into the core one day, on the next link you froze. You do not have to explain, you are not the one that I blame. We were fighting in front of the Dover Street over something oh so lame. Shouldn't pretend we're better off as friends.
I got the bill hacks, someone you can't forget. I know you're still upset. Can't keep me here next. cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm running from the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotions. Maybe it's just something you did. Triggered and I can't even focus. Maybe it's just all in my head. 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 You give me everything I want, but then sometimes you don't, and it's so damn enticing. You know that keeps me wanting more, but I'd still rather hide it and keep on denying the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotions. Maybe it's just something you did. Triggered and I can't even focus. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe it's just all in my in my head, and I'm running from the path of loving you. Baby, I work too hard to let go of everything I want for you. It's true. Please don't judge me. I can't stay another day, another day. Please don't love me. I can't give you anything, anything. Okay. Then I let my guard down. Too many emotions, I feel like I'm drowning in my mistakes. So I put my walls up. Even if you beg me, I would never be the one to say.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the first part of this video where I just did some soothing music because I find that I love to do my own chores and just put on a YouTube video and have it running in the background with some good music but still watching someone do something. So I hope that you enjoy that little section. If you are familiar with my monthly resets, you know what time this is. We're going to be going over my February goals and reflecting on them, and I'm going to be sharing with you what I did and did not do, and then I'm going to share with you my March goals. This is one of my favorite types of videos to watch as well as film because I'm always so curious about what people's goals are, and I really do gain so much inspiration from watching other people's goals and maybe saying, you know, hey, this is something that I might want to do and a goal that I might want to set. Okay, so February goals. My first one was love, and that was creating content, and that was really all about getting back into my reels, and I think I did a good job at that. I was supposed to read Jay Shetty, but I ended up getting a book. So someone ended up lending me this book, and it's called The Midnight Library. It was such a good book. It made you really reflect on your own life and things that you may have regretted. I do recommend it. It's basically between life and death. There is a library, and within that library you have all of these books, and you can choose a book to go back and live different lives, which I think was really interesting, and you would be able to see how things would be if you had made other choices, and would you have done anything different if you had a chance to undo your regrets. So that was Midnight Library, and I really did enjoy this book. It is a very quick read, so I got through this within like 2 days. But yeah, I still felt good that I read something instead of not reading at all, because you know, I did say that I was struggling with my reading goals in my last video. I wanted to create Valentine's Day reels and content, which I did. I created really cute charcuterie boards and other fun things that you can see on my Instagram if you are following me there. I wanted to eat more fruits and drink more smoothies, which I absolutely did. My favorite thing right now is yogurt, like plain vanilla yogurt and blueberries. I love it. It tastes like ice cream to me. I wanted to do like a Valentine's Day platter, which I did. I wanted to clean out my studio room, which I did. And I actually do have a housekeeper, like you guys saw, who really helps me to put my things together and get my life organized. So finally this room is clean. I wanted to go to a reformer Pilates class, which I did, and it was so much fun. I highly recommend it, and it is a workout that I definitely love looking forward to. I wanted to watch a romantic comedy, and I watched Anyone But You. It is such a funny movie, and it was just like those feel-good movies that made you laugh and just so happy at the same time. I wanted to do my yacht party, which I did. I did do my yacht party with my friends. It was so much fun, honestly. I've been planning this and wanting to do something really nice for my birthday for such a long time, and this was just perfection. Like, I loved it. It was so much fun, and I definitely think I'll be doing something like this again. It was just so much fun to go out of my comfort zone. One thing that is really spontaneous is that I went to another island just randomly, and it was so much fun. You guys know that I may not be the best at being spontaneous, but I had such a good time doing it. I bought a ticket, I went with my cousin, I just spent the day there, and at the end I just hopped back on a plane and came back, and it was such a good experience. Just laying on the beach, the waters were absolutely spectacular. I really enjoyed it, and I'm definitely looking forward to being more spontaneous, which was one of my January goals. So to see me actually live it now is so good. I wanted to be thankful for all of the opportunities and be open to all of the new things in my life, which I definitely am. You guys know that I've been saying yes a lot to different things, so it has been really interesting to see how that goes. February was also my birthday month, so I had such a fun time just doing all of those nice things with my friends and being with the people that I truly love. So those are my February goals. I think we did quite well. I love having my goals on my bucket list because it makes me have something to look forward to. Okay, so now on to March goals. So at the beginning of each month, there is a quote in the planner, and this one says, "Don't wait. Happiness is achieved when you stop waiting for it and make the most of the moment you are in now." So I love that. I feel like if this is just such a perfect way to set the tone for the month, just reminding you to live in the now and stop waiting for happiness to happen. It can happen right in this very moment. So my first thing on my bucket list is to love my time alone. If you guys don't know, I'm in a new relationship, so I'm having a hard time, you know, making sure I spend time with myself, my boyfriend, as well as my friends and other areas of my life. And I just want to make sure that I do set boundaries to make sure that I'm not losing my time alone. And, you know, that is very important to me, and I don't want to get lost in a new relationship. I want to read Crescent City, and I'm such a fan of the Aquatar series, so I do want to read Crescent City, the first book in that at least. I'm having a book swap this month, so I really want to create nice bookmarks when people come to the book swap and exchange books and stuff. I think that would be such a nice gift. And I want to eat more raw dinners, so that would be like more raw salads or like veggie platters or something like that. Oh my god, are you guys hearing the birds? I want to learn to make a creamy soup, like a creamy broccoli type soup. That seems like the easiest thing to me. So I'm definitely going to be looking up recipes to make that. I want to really clean 10 minutes daily. I want to get into the habit of doing this, especially since my apartment is all reset since my housekeeper came. I want to frame the puzzle. So that was what I was talking about. I want to really learn to frame the puzzle and frame it well. I want to watch Love is Blind. This is the 6th season. I'm always so hesitant about it, but I'm seeing how it goes. I want to go to the book swap, which I'm hosting, so I just can't wait. It's something that I'm looking forward to, and I want to be really creative for my event, so I want to make sure and have my shop looking really good, so when people come over, it will just be a fun experience for them and they will be really enjoying themselves. So those are my goals for March 2024 and in the Everyday Planner, which you guys could of course find on Amazon, and I will link in an entire video so you can go ahead and check it out. I hope that you enjoyed my March monthly reset. Thumbs it up if you enjoy watching these videos, and if you want to see more reset type videos like these and reset routines, don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything that is coming up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.